Welcome everyone, this is Andy 79Z28, also known as the Zinc Doctor, the Zinc Master, Dr. Zinc, and whatever else you guys like to call me. Anyway, a quick unboxing. This box is from Treesablowing. I know what's in it already, but I cut it open already, but I still feel that when somebody sends you something, you should do an unboxing. It's like a thank you. Anyway, this is Dawn, Treesablowing. Thank you very much. We've got ourselves a box of zinc here. It weighed about 8.5 pounds. This is great. I love it, Dawn. Thank you very much. And you will be getting a goodie box. We talked about what you would like. I will get that out to you, put it together over the weekend, hopefully ship it Monday. Anyway, trying to keep it short. Zinc, 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 zinc. Zinc bullets are great. Oh, and one last thing. Ruger sent my Ruger PCC 9mm back. My gun store called me this afternoon. They have it there. But New York's new stupid rules. I have to go down there, get paperwork, go out to my local pistol bureau in the police department, and get a purchase document. Can you believe that? In New York State, you have to put, and anybody buying a gun now, as of today, you have to, whether it's a 1022 or a 3006, anything semi-automatic, goes on your pistol permit. Can you believe that? This is crazy. Blatantly against the Constitution, blatantly against the Scottish. The Supreme Court has ruled different, and her answer is, I don't care. Anyway, that's my rant for today. Lovely, 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 lovely zinc. And Dawn, and anyone else listening, oops. There is a shipping service online, for those of you that don't know. It's called Pirate Ship, S-H-I-P, and this box is labeled $10.20, and if you ship it through Pirate Ship, which you're shipping UPS, United States Post Office, flat rate boxes, okay? Instead of $10.20, you'll pay $8.10. Anyway, everybody have a great day. This is Andy 79Z28, the Zinc Master, signing out. Everybody have a great day. Catch you on the flip.